Hello everyone, welcome back to Degree Academic of Odisha Group. Today class by AC English plus 3 second semester. First, what is communication? What is communication? Communication is the process of passing in information and understanding the same from one person to another. Communication is an understand information, effect, or opinions of someone. First, types of communication. Type of communication: verbal communication, non-verbal communication, formal communication, informal communication, visual communication, audio-visual communication, interpersonal communication, interpersonal communication. First, verbal communication. In example, uh, oral, written, language, word, sound, speaking. Non-verbal communication, gesture, body language, expression, eye contact, tone of voice. First, define a verbal communication. A definition of verbal communication. Verbal communication is exchange of information by words, either written or oral. Verbal communication consists of speaking, listening, uh, writings, narrating, readings, etc. Uh, it it is the most prevalent mode of communication. It may be up to types of communication. First, oral communication, written communication. Oral communication in described when a message when a message is expressed through spoken words. It may be either through face-to-face conversation or with the help of electronic modes such as telephones, cellular phones, etc. It may also be in the form of informal communication, group discussions, meetings, etc. It is among effective means of exchange of information because the receivers not only hear the message but also accepts the physical gesture of the speaker. Then, written communication. When opinions are exchanged in written rather than by spoken words, is now as written. Okay, communication. It may be expressed through chats, picture, in and diagrams. It include newspaper, reports, letters, circular, magazines, etc. Able to using a written communication words should should be select very carefully uh, careful because message one sent cannot be alternate. It is formal in nature and cannot be verbal overlooked. Then, definition of non-verbal communication. Communication through expression, gesture, or posture. Each nonverbal communication it refers to the follow-up information through facial expression, tone of voice, and other body movements. In other words, it it is a type of communication. Other than words, it conversation to the feelings, emotion, attitude of person to another. Than a person can communication his feeling to other likely, quickly, and economically by using a nonverbal form of communication. This does not require the use of words, as a person can express his feeling by his body language. Then, formal communication. Office or workplace believe two type of formal communication: vertical communication, horizontal communication. Okay. A definition of formal communication. Formal communication is a follow up informal information through formally established uh, can now its own organization. This type of communication may be oral or written, mostly controlled by managers. It is uh, sorry, hierarchical in nature and associated with the superior and onboarding relationships, generally like it with formal status and position of a person. It may be upholds Queen's words and horizontals. Horizontal communication. Horizontal communications. When communication takes place between two or more persons who are working at same levels, it is now as horizontal communication. This type of communication takes place mostly driving a communication meetings or conference. The main object of such communication is to establish it into departmental coordination. Ordination. Okay. Of whole communication. When messages are they are meted from battle to top of the organization behaviors. It is now as uphold. Communication. The main function of uphold communication is to supply information to top managers. Manage meant it is essentially particularly in nature and can following only in a democratic organizations environment in maybe in the form of programs. People's suggestion grievance completeness. It is next downward. downward communication. Okay, communication that plays from superior to shoulder networks in a chain of command is now as downward communication. Okay, such uh, such type of communication may be in the form of orders, instruction, policies, programs, etc. It may be written or else. Okay, informal communication, family or friends, such as example. Informal communication refers reference up to communication on or on the basic of personal relationship. It is a type of communication which is understood on official and on planet. It does not follows the formal channels established by the management. It often follow the between friends and intimates and related to personal rather than positional matters. Cannot be demonstrated on the charts and not required by formal rules and professions. Next, the formal communication system is built around the social relations of the members of the organization. Next, listening skill. Listening skill. Okay. Definition: listening in the eh, ability to identify and understand what other are saying. This evaluation understand me a people are active and pronounce his grammar and vocabulary. Listening skills are skills that are used in receiving the information equally and correctly when communication with others. Listening means to pay thoughtful attention to what someone is saying. So it is the act of paying deliberate, uh, deliberate attention and to understand the person which is speaking. Okay, today class. Thanks for watching and like and subscribe to don't miss. Thank you.